than Jerry World.
Wait. You mean the Minnesota Vikings have another new stadium for their people while the Jets are still playing in fucking Giant Stadium?
Correct.
How you Jet fans, and it makes me angry, how you don't just all rebel against this fucking piece of shit organization and they will finally do the right thing.
Is that open air?
Yeah, it looks like it, right?
It's a weird...
Isn't this the one that birds keep flying into?
Oh, so it's not open air, it's a glass roof?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's...
Yeah, that's it.
That's awesome. Just dead
nice.
birds all over the roof.
Oh, the birds keep... Birds are such fucking assholes.
It's a giant problem.
I hope it caves in like the Silver Dome because of all the dead birds on top.
Did that cave in?
The Silver Dome, yeah, the roof caved in because of all the snow.
Oh, the snow. Okay, because of birds.
No.
Why don't they just put a noise out there? There's a certain noise that keep birds away, right?
And apparently not football cheers. Oh, what's going on with the game? Let me find...
Yeah, they're all birds just checking out the fun.
Yeah, breaking necks everywhere. Just good. Bird blood all over the roof. Everything's red tinted.
Fuck them.
There was an article earlier this year, Viking Stadium, reflector of light, murderer of birds.
Wouldn't that be great?
You walk around the stadium, and there's just dead birds everywhere because they keep flying into this.
Well, in a way, too bad. Hey, birds are such fucking cocksuckers. They've never learned.
No, but it is, I mean, to be fair to birds, which I try to be, if you're going to build a see-through structure, you can't expect a bird to be able to tell, like,
Stay away from fucking structures.
How do they know it's see-through?
I know, but they see everything around it. Just stay away.
That's true. There is metal around it.
There's metal around it. There's fucking a giant building under it.
How about this? If you
Jesus, just evolve a little and go around.
Hands waving in the air like this and you don't hear anything, it's because it's a structure, right?
Yeah, it's no sound, you fucking idiots. They really do make me sad, but I yelled at them because I'm tired of, like, they get sucked into plane engines. Hey, assholes, how about you just don't go near them?
Yeah, avoid planes. Like how fish avoid whales and sharks because they're so big. Birds can avoid airplanes. The whale of the sky. Bird watchers say the glass stadium is killing almost 500 birds a year. Oh, I hope.
Tough shit.
I hope.
Fucking shit.
Here's what I hope. One little bird just goes beak first into that dumb Minnesota building. And over the course of about 3 years, that spider web cracking starts to happen until the whole goddamn building shatters.
That would be nice.
Because one beak went in. Oh, how great. Because look at that. Because the walls are glass, too.
And it's reflecting. How do birds not get that something's happening there? You have the whole sky, assholes.
Yeah.
You have the entire sky, and you're going to buzz right through, apparently, something.
You can go over the building.
Yourselves.
And isn't it super hot if the sun is going through there? Isn't that
They
like
see
a
nothing but sky
glass?
around them. Nothing but sky. But there's something happening, and they have to zip into this where something's happening. Well, how about you slow down?
Save your lives,
Pieces of
bird.
shit.
Mind your fucking business.
Mind your fucking business.
Yeah. We're down here celebrating something. It's got nothing to do with you. Nothing.
How about this?
Oh, there might be food down there. Well, you're dead now. Good.
Every time a bird says, "Oh, what's that?" they deserve to die. Good.
Yeah.
Last year during the fall migration period between August and November, members of the Bird Society there photographed.
I thought you were going to say died. I was going to be very happy.
I'd love it if
burned to death.
Yeah, they just jumped onto the roof of the building.
Yes. So can you start that again? I'm sorry. What are you saying?
Last year during the fall migration period between August and November, members of the Bird Society
were crushed by a falling rock.
Local chapter.
Sorry, start over. I apologize.
Okay, sorry. Last year during the fall migration period between August and November, members of the Bird Society
died of AIDS at the same time. It's just my hope. Sorry.
Have we gotten it yet?
Go on now.
They photographed 74...
Hold on, start again.
Sorry. Last year, during the fall migration period between August and November, members of the Bird Society...
Hey, a bunch of worms!
You can just keep going from where you left off.
Yep, photographed 74 birds that were either killed or stunned after colliding into the stadium's glass.
Oh, that's great. Just stunned. Just paralyzed birds. They're not dead at all. They're just paralyzed. They broke their little bird necks.
A bird in a chair shitting into a little bag over the side. Good. Fucking asshole. No wind.
Isn't that going to be great when you look up at the roof and you just see bird carcasses all over? Eventually, they'll stop cleaning it. It's Minnesota. Oh, they're going to freeze up there. The bird carcasses are going to freeze to the roof.
Oh my,
that'll be cool. It'll be like that gum wall
Yeah, exactly.
Where you just put all your gum.
Except it's dead birds. It'll be like that bridge in France where everybody puts locks on to talk about how much they love each other, except it's bird carcasses.
Is that what that is?
Yeah. And instead of celebrating love, they're celebrating how warm they are inside of the big glass football building.
But then every now and then, in all those dead bird carcasses, there's just one stunned bird who can't make a noise for help.
There's just one, like, that has a single wing is moving, like, I can't.
It's like, what do you want us to do? Not build things because these fucking assholes are the same for 30 million years?
Yeah, like
Go fuck yourselves.
We figured out glass. It's amazing. We can actually build glass houses. That's cool.
Yeah, but if you live in one, you shouldn't judge others.
Yeah, how about if you're a bird? You shouldn't fly into glass houses.
People in glass houses should... How about birds who live in glass houses should walk? Fucking dickheads. They're Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex has survived 60 million years in aggressive environments. Nobody fucks with birds except other birds, and these cunts manage to run into things.
There is no predator for birds except glass buildings.
If you have the entire sky and you fly into something, you deserve what you get.
Yeah.
Do you know how many birds die every year in the world from flying into glass?
It's not, how many?
750 million.
No, I thought you were going to say 750,000.
If it was more than one, they're a stupid species.
750 million birds?
The U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service estimates about 750 million birds perish annually flying into glass facades.
Oh, good.
Fucking assholes.
I'm just going to put up glass everywhere I go. That's going to be my legacy on this earth, is just putting up glass in places where I don't need to kill birds.
I want to build a wormery and put glass around it and just watch, watch these shitheads fly into it.
A giant glass wormery.
Yeah.
Couple little holes so the wormy aroma can get through. Birds flying down and just breaking their skulls.
Yeah, bunch of bird seeds behind glass. And then put a speed limit that just says as fast as you can go, guys. Fucking jizz buckets.
Oh, how do they get the bird carcasses off the roof of that stadium?
Now there's a guy, okay.
I want to go to Minnesota.
Yeah,
truck driver.
Hired for that job.
CJ has, okay, this is exactly what happens. Go on now, CJ.
They leave them.
Yeah, hey, Jimmy.
Yes.
I've been driving a truck for 15 years. If somebody would have told me before I started driving that by far the most things that I would kill on the highway were birds, I would have thought they were crazy.
How come I never hit birds driving in a car, though?
I've never hit anything that walks on legs.
That's crazy.
In all the years, but I must have killed over 100 birds. And I say that you're absolutely right. I say it all. You're a fucking bird. You can fly. You have the entire sky. How do you fly into my truck?
Here's why
How
birds
do you do that?
Here's why they're such pieces of shit as a species. Because a car is almost understandable because you'll just see glass. First of all, a truck, a fucking 18-wheeler above the glass is structure. So this dumb piece of shit animal sees the fucking hood of the truck, which is solid, a teeny bit of glass, and then more solid metal behind it in the trailer hitch, the trailer. So where are you flying to, cocksucker?
If I was the boy who could fly, I would avoid trucks the best.
You're neither of those things. All right, thank you very much, CJ.
Trying to say I'm a man?
No problem. Have a good day.
No. Say you're a girl who crawls.
Oh.
Isn't that crazy, though, how stupid they are? I don't know what goes on in their
dumb.
fucking pea brains. They drive me nuts, though.
I tell you this, I've never felt sympathy for a bird who flew into a window. When we used to live up in the apartment, we had a big window. We were the third story. And every now and then, we would just hear a big thud, followed by a second thud. The second thud was a carcass of a bird hitting the ground 3 stories below. And every time, my initial instinct was to giggle.
Yeah.
Like, you see what just happened? Bird just flew in the window for no reason.
Yeah, I don't feel bad for them.
But guess what? If the window hadn't been there, they would have just flown into my apartment just because. Yeah. How about this? I don't fly into your fucking nest. I don't climb trees and be like, oh, can I sit in your nest for a while? Don't fly into my apartment.
This is why they're such fucking assholes. You live in a hole. Bird nests are holes. You manage to zip into that thing, this teeny hole, and then land on a stick without killing yourselves, but you can't navigate windows. They drive me nuts.
They're so stupid.
Yeah, I have no mercy for them.
So how are your bets on Sunday?
Yeah.